Flipping and reselling offer lucrative opportunities to turn undervalued items into profit with minimal startup costs. The business model revolves around purchasing products at low prices, from thrift stores, garage sales, liquidation auctions, or online marketplaces, and reselling them at higher prices to targeted buyers. Successful resellers begin by specializing in a niche they understand deeply, whether it's vintage clothing, collectible sneakers, electronics, or designer furniture. Research is key. Tools like eBay's sold listings and Terapeak reveal what items actually sell for, not just what sellers are asking. Sourcing inventory requires a strategic approach. Local thrift stores and estate sales often hide gems. Look for high-quality brands, unique vintage pieces, or items with all original parts and packaging. Liquidation pallets, via sites like bulk or liquidation.com, offer bulk returns or overstock from major retailers at pennies on the dollar, but inspect manifests carefully to avoid unsellable damaged goods. For online arbitrage, use Keeper or Camel to track Amazon price history and buy when prices dip, then resell during demand spikes. Product presentation dramatically impacts sales. Invest in professional photography, use neutral backgrounds, natural lighting, and multiple angles. Highlight flaws transparently to avoid returns but emphasize unique selling points, for example, 1990s Nike Air Jordans, unworn, with original box. Write detailed descriptions packed with keywords. Instead of wooden chair, specify mid-century modern teak armchair by Hans Wegner style. For clothing, include measurements, fabric content, and close-ups of labels. Pricing strategies vary by platform. eBay favors auctions for rare collectibles but fixed pricing for everyday items. Facebook Marketplace works best for local bulkier items, furniture, appliances, while Poshmark and Grailed cater to fashion resellers. Cross-listing on multiple platforms, using tools like Vendoo, maximizes exposure but requires syncing inventory to avoid double sales. Bundling related items, for example, a camera with lenses and case, can increase average order value. Shipping efficiency protects profits. Offer free shipping by baking costs into your price, but use calculated shipping for heavy items. Invest in a thermal label printer and leverage eBay's discounted shipping rates. For fragile items, double box with bubble wrap. Customer satisfaction hinges on flawless delivery. Returns are inevitable. Streamline the process with prepaid labels and polite communication to maintain positive feedback. Seasonality affects demand. List patio furniture in spring, coats in fall, and holiday decor in early November. Follow trends through Google Trends or TikTok hashtags. #ThriftFlip has 11B+ views, to capitalize on viral items. Scale by outsourcing photography or hiring virtual assistants for listing once you establish workflows. Top resellers treat it like a data-driven business, tracking profit per item, sell-through rates, and fastest-moving categories to refine sourcing strategies. With low barriers to entry and unlimited inventory sources, flipping adapts to any budget. Start with $100 at local flea markets or scale to six figures with wholesale suppliers. The key is relentless focus on margins, buying right, selling smart, and turning inventory quickly.